Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today, again, I'm here in front of you with a new video and a new chapter from the book New Astor. The name of the chapter is The Three Billy Goats Graph. Chapter 3, page number 15. So children, take out your book and read the chapter along with me so that you can understand the chapter well. So the chapter is like this. Once upon a time there lived three Billy goat brothers named Big Gruff, Bigger Gruff and Biggest Gruff. So once upon a time there lived three Billy goat Gruff. What is the meaning of Billy? Billy is a male goat. So there was three male goat brothers. One was Big Gruff, the second one was Bigger Gruff, and the third one was the Biggest Gruff. These were their name. They all lived on one side of the river in Goat City, of course. On the other side of the river was a hill with tall grass. Yum. So, there was a river, and in one side of the river was Goat City, where these three Billy Goat brothers, they lived. And on the other side of the river there was a hill with tall grasses, which was very yummy. One day the goats went to cross the only bridge in the city and eat some of the grass. So one day what happened? The goats, these three brothers, these three goats, they went to cross the only bridge which was in that city to eat some grass. The problem was that under the bridge lived a mean, horrible and huge troll. But what was the problem? Below that bridge there was a troll. Troll means a giant. There lived a giant who was very mean, huge and horrible. And he was hungry too. Well, who wants to be hungry? So, he was very hungry. That troll was very hungry. So, Big Billy Goat Gruff trip-trapped across the bridge. What is the meaning of trip-trapped? Trip-trapped means to make a stomping noise while walking. So, the Big Billy Goat, what did he do? He trip-trapped across the bridge. Means he crossed the bridge by making stomping noise. Who is that trip-trapping over my bridge? Screamed the troll. And then the troll screamed that who is there? Who is trip-trapping across my bridge? Just me, said Big Billy Goat Gruff in a soft voice. So, the Big Billy Goat Gruff, he said in a soft voice that it just me. I will eat you for my breakfast, yelled the troll. What is the meaning of yelled? Yell is to shout. So, the troll, he screamed, he shouted, he yelled that I will eat you in my breakfast. Who? Me? I am way too small. Wait for my brother who is much bigger. And then the Big Gruff, he said, who? Me? You want to eat me? But I am very small. Wait for my brother who is bigger than me. Oh, all right, said the troll. He let Big Billy Goat Gruff go, and then the troll said, oh, all right, and then he let the Big Gruff go. Next, Bigger Billy Goat Gruff trapped across the bridge. And now, in the second time, the bigger Billy Goat Gruff, who was bigger than Big Billy Goat Gruff, he trapped across the bridge. Means he crossed the bridge by making a stomping voice. Who is that trapping across my bridge? Screamed the troll. And again the troll screamed that who is trapping across my bridge? Just me, said Bigger Billy Goat Gruff in a little bigger voice. And now the Bigger Billy Goat Gruff, he said in a little bigger voice that it's just me. I will eat you for my lunch, said the troll. And what the troll said then, that he will eat him in his lunch. Who? Me? Don't be silly. My brother is the biggest goat of all. He would be much better to eat. And then what the Bigger Billy Goat Gruff said? That whom he want to eat? To him. He said, to me you want to eat. You don't eat me, but you should wait for my biggest brother, who is the biggest of all. And he would be much better to eat. Well, okay, said the troll, but he better be the biggest. And then the troll said, okay then, but the biggest Billy Goat Gruff should be the biggest. Later, biggest Billy Goat Gruff went trapping across the bridge. The bridge shook. And then what happened? Now, the biggest Billy Goat Gruff, he trapped across the bridge. He crossed the bridge by making a stomping voice. And while he was crossing the bridge was shaking. Who is that trapping over my bridge? Yelled the troll. And again the troll yelled, he shouted that who is trapping across my bridge? Me, yelled biggest Billy Goat Gruff back at the troll in his loudest voice. And then what happened? The biggest Billy Goat Gruff, he also shouted in a loudest voice that he is him. I am going to eat you for my dinner, screamed the troll. And then the troll screamed, he shouted that he will eat him in his dinner. You think so? Said biggest Billy Goat Gruff, and he ran towards the troll and pushed him into the river with his horn. And then what happened? What the biggest Billy Goat Gruff said? That do you think so? That you will eat me? And then what he did? He ran towards the troll and he hit him by his horn. And what happened? The troll, he fell into the river. Biggest Billy Goat Gruff went to eat the tall green grass, while the silly troll went for a swim. And then what happened? The big Billy Goat Gruff, the bigger Billy Goat Gruff, and the biggest Billy Goat Gruff, they crossed the river and they ate the big grasses, the tall grasses which was on the other side of the river. And where was the troll now? He was inside the river swimming. So now the story is over, and I hope children that you have understood this chapter well. Now children, we will learn few hard words. The first one is troll. T R O double L, troll. The second word is mean. M E A N, mean. The third word is trip. T R I P, trip. The fourth one is trapped. T R A P E D, trapped. The fifth one is yelled. Y E L E D, yelled. Now children, we will learn the meaning of few hard words. The first word is troll, and the meaning is a giant in Foxlore. Foxlore is a place. The second word is mean, and the meaning of mean is someone who does not share anything. The third word is trapped, and the meaning is made stomping noise while walking. And the last word is yelled, and the meaning of yelled is shouted. Now children, we will do fill in the blanks with correct words from the story. The first word is, on the other side of the river was a hill with tall grass. The second one is, who is that trip-trapping over my bridge? Screamed the troll. The third one is, the troll yelled that he would eat the big billy goat Gruff for his breakfast. And the fourth one is, the bridge shook when the big billy goat Gruff went trip-trapping across the bridge. So children, I hope you all have understood this chapter well. So read this chapter thoroughly and learn the chapter and whatever I have taught till today. So thank you very much, and God bless you all.